My name is Arina Shabanova and I'm a visual artist based in Moscow suburb. Usually I'm working as an illustrator and animator, but currently me and my husband Timur has started our own project called Galka, where we explore the theme of home and create objects. At this moment it is textile, blankets, quilted bed covers, pillows. At this moment I can see my work as something positive which brings joy to people. My characters are usually anthropomorphic, which allows me to translate their mood through body shape. I get inspired by building a relationship with nature. It helps me to hear my inner voice, observe it, get to know its rhythms and laws, and to follow right direction in my artistic expression. I'd like to share my way of finding best shape for the character. First you need to transfer your sketch to the Photoshop, and then we need to clean up it a little bit. We go to the adjustment, choosing levels to make it more contrast. Instead of redrawing it in order to improve, I prefer to use Liquify tool. We're going to the filter, Liquify. By using different tools on sidebar, I'm playing around with the character form. Dragging, stretching, increasing, decreasing. When you are happy, press OK button, and then I'm drawing the final with my own brush.